Hello my dear students. Today we are going to see revision of the poem Please Listen. Means in this poem poet says that means poet tells us here how he just wishes that people would listen to a person's problems silently. Means instead of the giving advice or telling him means this listener should be listen whatever the person's problem. Okay, means in this poem poet says that when he asks someone to listen to him, but instead of the listen to him they start giving him a advice, and they have not done what he has asked. Means these listeners, they have not done what the poet asked to them. And when he asks someone to listen to him, they tell him why he should not feel that way. They are trampling on their feelings. Means they are trampling the poet's feelings. And when poet asks them to listen to him, they means the listeners feel that they have to do something to solve his problem, to solve the problem of the poet. They have failed him. Means these listeners failed to the poet. Because they are not listen silently to the poet, and that's why poet failed there. Even though this may appear, and it's look very strange, it's appear very strange, and that's why poet says that whatever he asks is that person should listen, not talk or do, just listen. Just please listen. And also poet says that advice is very cheap because it get only 20 cents. He can get advice from the newspaper. Okay, newspaper column is there, and from that newspaper column we get the advice very cheap in only 20 cent. Okay, and means there poet refer the Dear Abby and Billy Graham. Those are the famous columnist of newspaper. Means through this columnist we get the advice. It is very cheap. And poet also says that he is not helpless. He may be discouraged there, okay, but he is not helpless. And when someone does something for him that he can do by himself, then that helper is contributing to the poet's feeling of fear and inferiority. But if someone accept as a simple fact that a poet feels that means irrational feelings, can the poet stop trying to convince to the person and get on with the work of find what is the reason behind the irrational feelings. Okay, and also poet lastly means poet says that when the reason for these irrational feelings become clear to him, the answer to his questions become obvious there. Okay, means obviously we get the answer there. And that's why poet says that there is no need of advice. He says that irrational feelings make sense only when one understands the reason behind them. And last poet guesses there, maybe prayer works sometime for some people because God is mute, means God is silent. Okay, and he does not give advice or try to fix things. Means God does not give the advice or try to fix things. God just listens silently and lets the person find his own answer. And because of that person can means find their own questions answer, because God is silent. Also, and lastly poet says that and means lastly poet requests to the people just listen to him, to just hear him about. And he says that if the listeners want to talk, he should wait a minute for his turn, and when his turn will come, then the poet will listen to them. Okay, and that's why poet says that request that just listen, just hear him and don't give the advice. and when his turn will come, when listener's turn will come, that time poet will listen to them. Like this way, it's the short summary of this poem. Okay, and then what is the means figures of speech of this poem? Which figures of speech are there? Means there is repetition. Okay, because listen, just listen, means that word is repeated there again and again, and that's why figure of speech is repetition is there. Okay, and this poem is a conversational style of the poem. Okay, poem is conversational style of poem. Okay, and means and poet is means this poem written by the unknown poet or anonymous poet, and the poet tells us means he just wishes that people would listen to person's problems silently instead of giving the advice. It's the theme of this poem, and the poet is very confident that he will find out the reason behind the irrational feelings. Okay, and this poem, there is no rhyming scheme of this poem. It is a free verse poem. There is no rhyme scheme, and there are many figure of speech, but repetition is there because uh, when I ask you to listen to me, means this line is repeated again and again, and poet emphatic means it is a emphatic line. Poet give the stress on this line, and he means requested to the listener just listen, don't give the advice. Okay, like this way, these are some points of the appreciation of the poem. Okay, thank you.